How to at EMU, scheduling an academic advising appointment through Starfish. Start by logging into your my.emich.edu account. Once logged in, find the Student Advising Services tile and select Starfish. From the Starfish homepage that opens up next, click the three-line menu icon in the top right corner that looks like this. A menu should open from the left side of the screen. Clicking My Success Network will direct you to the list of instructors, academic advisors, academic success coaches, and staff from different campus resources, all with whom you can make appointments. By clicking the three dots next to the name of each connection, you will open up a small menu box with action items. From here, you can schedule an appointment with the connection you have chosen from the list by selecting Schedule. On the next screen, select the reason that you would like to meet. Depending on the role of the connection you have chosen to meet with, the options for reasons to meet will vary. Your connection's appointment availability will open up on the next screen. If the dates highlighted are available, you will see time slots listed on the right-hand side. If the dates highlighted are not available, you will see a message asking you to choose a different date range. From there, select the time that works best for you. Before confirming your appointment, be sure to check the date, time, as well as the location for your meeting. In the box to the right of the screen, you have the option to provide details about what you would like to chat about and any questions that you would like answered during your appointment. If everything looks correct, press Confirm in the bottom right corner and make sure to be on time for your appointment. After confirming your appointment, you should receive a confirmation email from Starfish in your eMich email inbox. If you have any questions or if something looks a bit off in your Starfish account, please reach out to starfish@emich.edu.